fuck. Oh, fucker. Oh, give me a fucking red. Come on. And you're not. That's all I need is a fucking red. And all you can give me is green. Look at this. All I need is a red, and I can beat
wow.
it. It does that to me a
Yeah.
lot. It's trying to make me use my rainbow ball.
Mm.
Because I could have beat it if I'd used it. His tail is straight up.
Yeah.
He's just standing there looking with his tail straight up. Like, I'm a looking. I'm on alert. Yeah, I'm a watching. No. Now look. Oh my goodness. Now look. Oh, my hiccups.